This is money management game, board game for the younger children, juniors. There are two versions of it with the same board game. If the child is too young, if you feel he's not able to understand the addition and subtraction of money or the income and the expenditure part, you could always make them play a simple game which we all have played as children. It's a simple game where each participant will have 4 pawns. They will have 2 dice and they start the game. So this is nothing got to do with the money as such, because the children are so young that they don't understand. We've completed quite a lot of activities during the weeks, but when it comes to playing a board game, probably they're not comfortable writing and understanding, so we just give them a simple game. So here the idea is that, let's say this player has to finish his game. He has to go all around like this, enter and come here and come to the main house. Now all the 4 have to come in the same way and come here, and that's how he wins. So this is a very simple game which children can play if they are very young. Whereas in juniors itself, if the child's age group is somewhere around 6 to 7, he can play the same board game as we taught the older ones. So we talked about expenditures and income. It's the same game which you must have seen about expenditures and income. So the child actually makes a list of income, different ways of getting money, and expenditure, different places where we spend money. So once this part is done, probably he will still not be able to write. If you feel he is not able to write, we can also draw figures. So we can draw, let's say, a phone, and you can write ₹100 is the phone bill. You can also draw a juice. Let's say you draw a can, or you can just draw a straw. So if you have a food, then you can draw a pizza. Ask them to color it. So this is food bill, which can cost them, let's say, 125 rupees or 150 rupees. Let them decide how much they have to write. They can also have, let's say, if they say they have a movie, they can have the movie ticket printed. So we can just write a movie ticket for ₹300. This is a friend's house. Then they have a gift voucher. Gift voucher is where they have earned money. So gift voucher ₹200. They can have an ice cream outing, ₹75. Like this they can fill it up. They don't need to fill these because they'll not be entering inside. It's only these which need to be filled. And the same as the older children play, they start from here. Depending on how much have they got, what is the count, they need to use only 1 die and they play the game. Only 1 coin will be used, and let's say they've got 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gets a gift voucher. So we divide the money initially by 5. Bank gets about 900. The children get about 900. And so if he gets 5, and he comes here, he gets 200 rupees from the bank and he puts it into his pocket. The next person who's yellow, let's say, gets a 6. So he will reach here, and depending on what is the activity for that particular box, he has to do this. Now they can make different pictures and they can make it interesting. Now they can also use stickers. We can ask them to get stickers of pizzas, juice, or let's say a petrol station. So he can put a petrol sign, and so he'll have a petrol for rupees 50. So this way he can have different options open, and this is completely up to the child to make his own options. And here they will have only 12 boxes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you can divide 4 or 5 for expenditure and the rest 4 or 5 for the income. The rest of it could be for the expenditure. So for example, if they say the grandparents have come, they could draw bad at drawing, so I'm just trying to make the grandfather, and you can say they've given rupees 200. So you can also write plus 200, or here let's say for petrol minus 50. So this also is an indication that you're getting 200 rupees added to your account or deducting 50 rupees from your account. So these are certain things that they can make and make it look interesting. Now once they finalize on in each box what has to be written, they can then move on to the main box. And here again, either they choose to write it on the board, or they can cut stickers of different things, like as I explained, a movie ticket or a juice, a pizza, a gift voucher. They can either cut or they can draw it on a paper and stick it here. Once they have done this, they can use this outer row for playing. This is for the older ones, that is children between 6 to 7. For the younger ones, they can use the normal game without really bothering about how much they are spending or earning. It's just a pure kavade atta that they can play.